Hello, I'm Mohammed Burak from Computer Engineering Department, and this is my solution video from Homework 1. In this video, I will explain the three questions which I already uploaded my solutions. Um, so let's start with question 1. So in this question 1, we need to take an n value from the console, and we should print an n times n right triangle. So we should implement that. Like first row is 1 star, second row is 2 star, third row is 3 star. Like this goes on like that, and we should stop on seventh row. Like if our input is 7, like we should stop on our value, and we print the uh, stars that much. That's much. Okay, so that's the our problem. So how do we solve that? First, we need to take an value from the console. So in my main part, I just do that. And to construct this, I use two loops. So first loop is to um, determine and control the number of rows which should equal to our n value, and the inner loop, my second loop, is to determine and control the number of stars that's printed on every row. Just works on every row. So let's start the code. So for this console print, our prompt is enter n. I use this to use it here. So same as the star or character, and same as the new line operator. So we start from main. We initialize the a7 to 4 value, so we can call syscall with this operand. And in here we just load address of prompt to a0 to print. So when we call this, our prompt is printed. We print the console and run. Like so, we printed it. This printed our prompt. So to read the value, I will just check the recording. Okay. To print the to take the value, we need to read it. So we use syscall again, but this time 5. So syscall 5 reads integer and syscall 4 prints string. So just print and scan operators, and then we use this value, the input. We save it to t0, just move value operand. So our n is stored in t0. Then we initialize the row counter. We have t1 to um, count the rows, and we initialize it with 1. So our main is finished, and we have n value, and we have row count in our hands. So the part I couldn't explain before is that that is not a high level language. So when we finish main, we just continue. Just code passes the outer loop, so we can continue in outer loop, like everything is on main, like basically like that. So we just continue to outer loop. So we have this line here. It says branch greater than t1, t0, and okay. So t1 is our current row number, which is row counter, and t0 is our n value. So it says basically if our current row bigger than value, we end. What we have an end? Just syscall exit. So basically our outer loop is simply if you pass to 8 row, we just finish, we just end, and the remaining part is already finished. So basically according to that. So we continue on inner loop. First line is branch greater than t2 t1 print new line. So it says t2 if t2 bigger than, like t2 is our row counter. No, not row counter. It's the, oh okay, I missed that part. So in all outer loop we have a t2 value which we initialize it 1. So this is our star counter, like how many stars we printed. That is the key to check how many we printed on already on a row. So this is the number of stars printed. So our inner loop says if our printed stars in a row is bigger than current row number t1. So it says if I am on the first row and I already printed one, I don't print another star and just go print new line, because our max star I need here is 1. So if when I pass to second row, I am checking again. So first I printed, that is not, that's still okay, that's not gonna work, so I will print again one more. But when I printed 2, this code executes and I go to print new line. Excuse me. So this checks our row, our row and relationship with. Oh, I messed up. So this line says uh, every row should contain that much of star. So this checks that, and if you are gonna print more, it just go print new line. So we stop at the last star and go print new line and then continue. So next line says print one star. So ya hayır ya.